Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. The latest stable release of the PowerToys utility app is now rolling out, and this started rolling out recently, and according to the release notes over on GitHub, is centered around modernizing the Power Rename's user interface. They've added a brand new mouse utility, and also the video conference mute utility now has finally been added into the stable version, where previously it was only available in experimental versions. Now, just quickly, if you don't know what PowerToys is, it's a set of utilities for power users to tune and streamline their Windows experience for greater productivity. And I have posted numerous videos on the PowerToys utility app on this channel if you'd like to go check those out. So it just gives you some extra utilities that don't come standard in both Windows 10 and 11. And the PowerToys app is available for both Windows 10 and 11. Now, just to look at some of those key highlights quickly. The Power Rename, that's the Power Rename utility, now, according to the release notes, has been updated to reflect the modern user interface theming of Windows 11. So it's just taken on the new fluent design of Windows 11. So that's a nice change there to the user interface. And then you get the mouse utilities, which is a new feature, a collection of mouse utilities. Obviously, you can toggle all of these utilities on and off. And basically what this does is it lets you quickly find your mouse position by double pressing the control key. So if we just do that quickly, there you go. So especially on dual monitors, this could be quite handy just to find your mouse. It just, your mouse, it just puts a nice little highlighted circle around your mouse pointer and cursor. And then just to get rid of it, you can just click on it and it's gone. And then, as mentioned, the video conference mute feature is now finally available in this stable release. But according to the release notes, they say they are still working on some bugs that are quite, are still prevalent in the feature. So do expect some, one or two bugs, because the release notes say that there are one or two bugs still to be found in the video conference mute utility. So basically, this utility is a quick and easy way to do and global mute of both your microphone and webcam. Disabling this module or closing PowerToys will unmute the microphone and camera. And you can obviously turn the feature on and off. You have your keyboard shortcuts that you can edit as well for your mute camera and microphone, mute camera. You can select your different microphones, your different cameras. You can also have the toolbar position in different positions. The default is top right corner, and then obviously if you click on that, it gives you other positions which are made available. And you can also hide toolbar when both camera and microphone are unmuted. So this is a nice handy little feature, especially if you video conference on a regular basis. Now, if we just head over quickly to GitHub, as I say, this is where PowerToys is maintained and developed. I've covered some of the key highlights and features. And then you get your change log, which basically there's a whole lot of little add-ons and bug fixes to the PowerToys utilities, or the other ones, like your color picker, awake, fancy zones, keyboard manager, Power Rename, PowerToys run, and then your video conference mute. So there are also a lot of bug fixes. And then if you're on Windows 10 and you want to try out PowerToys and you haven't tried it out yet, you can just download the installation file straight from GitHub. And in Windows 11, you can also download it here. But in Windows 11, it's also available in the Microsoft Store as well. So just wanted to let you know that the PowerToys utility now, the app has been updated to version 49. And if you are currently running the PowerToys utility app, you can check for the latest version just by checking for updates. So PowerToys version 49 now has those two new features: video conference mute, mouse utilities, and also the Power Rename has been updated with a more fluent user interface to look more like Windows 11. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.